Top most luxury and expensive hotels in the world. If you desire an all 5-star service and experience, staying in a luxury hotel is the perfect way to sample the lifestyle of the rich. Featuring stunning architecture, world-class amenities and fine dining, luxury hotels offer an exceptional experience for the elite. A hotel may be an establishment that provides paid accommodation on a short-term basis, but the level of comfort varies, and that is what distinguishes one from another. Some hotels are like heaven on earth with out-of-this-world facilities, situated at great locations. Number 1. Mardan Palace, Turkey. Mardan Palace is a luxury hotel in Lara, Antalya, that cost an estimated $1.4 billion to build. It is often regarded as Europe's most expensive luxury resort, with over 560 hotel rooms. A 12,000-square-foot spa, 4 aquariums, 5 acres of pool, and a private beach for guests with sand imported from Egypt are among the amenities. The hotel features velvet-lined furniture, exotic wood floors, and marble bathroom interiors, making it ideal for tourists seeking comfort and elegance. Number 2. Burj Al Arab, Dubai. The Burj Al Arab is the world's 7th tallest hotel, designed to resemble the sail of an Arabian dhow. It has a pillow menu with 9 different types of pillows for guests to pick from, 24-karat gold leaf walls, and full-sized Hermes amenities in every room, making it easily one of the most opulent hotels in the world. The hotel's official rating is 5-star, the highest hotel rating available, although it is commonly referred to as a 7-star hotel. This spectacular location provides world-class service, all the way down to chauffeured Rolls-Royce service. Number 3. Atlantis Paradise, Bahamas. You've arrived in paradise. Atlantis Island Resort is one of the most beautiful hotels in the Caribbean, with 11 swimming pools, a spectacular water park, an 18-hole golf course, 21 restaurants, a gym, tennis courts, a spa, and even a Pilates and yoga studio. There is definitely something for everyone at this fantastic resort, with a variety of activities ranging from family-friendly entertainment to after-dark nightlife. Number 4. Emirates Palace, Abu Dhabi. Emirates Palace is a luxurious, golden exterior property overlooking the Arabian Gulf coastlines, located in the center of Abu Dhabi. This landmark hotel welcomes guests into a world of indulgence with an array of international cuisines, 1.3 kilometers of private beach area, a private harbor, and coral rooms with garden views. Emirates Palace is a symbol of Abu Dhabi, with its $3 billion building showing Arabian culture at its finest. Number 5. Westin Excelsior, Rome. The Westin Excelsior is not only a luxury hotel but also a treasured landmark, providing the true Roman Emperor experience. The Westin Excelsior has become a symbol of Italian opulence, with empire-style furniture, indoor swimming pools modeled after Pompeian baths, and bohemian chandeliers. The lounge bar, which is also known for its Café Donny, frequently hosts opera singers as entertainment during Sunday brunch. Number 6. The Plaza, New York City. Since 1969, the Plaza in Midtown Manhattan has been one of New York's most treasured landmarks. For over a century, the hotel has welcomed dignitaries, Hollywood royalty, and world leaders from all over the world. Guests can indulge in an opulent 5-star stay while being conveniently located near New York City Center, Rockefeller Center, Radio City Music Hall, and Central Park, providing a luxurious backdrop for famous blockbusters. Number 7. The Palms, Las Vegas. The Palms, located near the Las Vegas Strip, provides unrivaled service and takes pride in being different in design. The Palms, one of Las Vegas' most ambitious projects, underwent a $690 million renovation to become one of the world's most sought-after luxury destinations. The lobby features Andy Warhol and Jean-Michel Basquiat artwork, as well as a $3 million Scotch inventory, a rooftop nightclub, and fine dining in Michelin-starred restaurants.